You know the world's broken when hiccups last decades and nukes go missing. Let's overstim your genius brain with 4 real history facts that don't sound real. Fact 1. The man who hiccuped for 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and kept going until 1990. He hiccuped over 430 million times. That's World War's Elvis Disco, all with hiccups. Fact 2. The lost nuclear bomb. In 1950, the US dropped a nuclear bomb off the coast of Canada, and it's still missing. They called it a broken arrow. We call it a floating oops. Fact 3. Beethoven composed deaf. Beethoven wrote some of his greatest music after going totally deaf. He used vibrations and memory to create full symphonies. Guy dropped bangers with no audio. Fact 4. Guillotine didn't work. French soldier. Joseph Guillotin was executed by guillotine, but it didn't kill him. He stood back up. So they had to do it again. The blade glitched. Century-long hiccups, rogue nukes, deaf symphonies, and respawning soldiers. This timeline is running on expired code. Follow Overstim Genius. We've only scratched the surface.